Water has always been our planet's most precious resource. All life depends on water to survive. Civilizations throughout history always settled near waterways. Once humans discovered how to treat, distribute, and store water, the endless job of managing and maintaining the infrastructure has always been a task that has warranted the most care and diligence. The Heflin Waterworks and Sewer Board is hard at work managing and distributing the area's most necessary resource. Most of the work is done behind the scenes. However, there is soon to be some changes and improvements in Heflin that are sure to be noticed. For the past year, with the help of the City of Heflin, Heflin Waterworks and Sewer Board has been awarded various grants to help improve all of Heflin's water and sewer resources. The first grant is a competitive CDBG grant to begin replacing sewer lines all throughout the city.
First grant we got is a community development block grant, and it's a competitive grant, and we went in conjunction with the city and hired a grant writer, and we applied for that, and we won the grant. It's a $500,000 grant from ADECA and a $200,000 grant from Appalachian Regional Council, and it has a matching fund of $99,000. And it will be used to start replacing the sewer lines in the city.
Heflin's aging sewer lines installed in 1961 allow rainwater and other runoff to enter the lines and cause the treatment process to be very inefficient.
We'll start replacing the sewer lines. We're going to start at the wastewater lagoon, and we're going to work our way away from the wastewater lagoon.
The near $1 million budget is going to replace the outdated terracotta sewer lines with more modern, efficient materials that will ensure the cleanest system as possible. Heflin has also received another near $1 million grant to run new water and sewer lines in the budding industrial park off of exit 205.
The second grant we were awarded is also a community block development grant awarded by ADECA. But this one is not a competitive grant. This grant, the mayor and I went to ADECA and met with Mr. Kenneth Boswell, the director, and presented our project to him. And we were awarded $950,000 to put water and sewer infrastructure into our new industrial park. Now, it also has a matching fund of about $100,000, but it will allow us to have the industrial park ready to house anything that comes along that'll be great for our community.
This 212-acre industrial park will attract many quality jobs for the citizens of Heflin and become a place that will allow families to not have to drive to other places to provide a good living. The biggest and most noticeable grant is a $2,478,000 grant to upgrade the wastewater lagoon.
The third grant is from ADEM. It's from the Alabama Department of Environmental Management. It is through the State Revolving Fund and the American Rescue Plan. It's a grant that we applied for. We had to submit a pre-engineering report and an application, and we were awarded on the basis of needs. And it's a $2,478,000 grant that will be used to update the wastewater lagoon. And then if there's any funds left from that, it will be added to the project to continue extending the new or replacing the sewer lines.
This total overhaul to the sewage treatment plant will include improvements to the headworks of the plant to remove trash from the inflow that clogs the pumps, a new aeration system to reduce the power consumed and the sludge buildup in the lagoon, new automation to remotely monitor all the processes of the sewer lagoon to ensure everything is operating properly at all times, and a new ultraviolet light disinfection system to eliminate using chemicals in the water that is returned to the river. This new ecological approach will not only be an improvement for the environment, but it will also save money on chemicals. The new, more efficient electric motors will also improve the conservation of electricity. The first two grants require 10% matching funds. Heflin Waterworks and Sewer Board plans to do as much of the work as possible in-house on these two grants. This work equity in these projects will offset the required matching funds. This is just another way the Waterworks and Sewer Board is working very hard to keep prices down. Heflin Waterworks and Sewer Board, along with the City of Heflin, are actively pursuing additional grants and funds to upgrade the drinking water system for the city as well. Heflin is prepared to do whatever it takes to make sure to have clean and safe water for our generation and the next.
I'm excited about all this because I think it's going to change the city itself. It's going to make it better for our citizens. It's going to make it easier for our citizens, for my children to have a job here, to earn a good living here, and to stay in our community and not have to travel somewhere else. I think it's going to make it a more dependable wastewater system. It's going to make it where it is readily available to add capacity of any industry or business that comes along and wants to locate here. And it also will be attractive to new home builders, new home buyers and things.